Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter sleep mode on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and enter sleep mode so that you can have updates take place and you don't want to fully turn off your PS5. How do you actually go ahead and enter sleep mode? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you need to do is that you want to go ahead and navigate over to your PS5. And then to put it into sleep mode, you want to find the power button, which is located right over here at the bottom. So the indicator is that the PS logo is right over there. It's at the completely diagonally optional direction. Now press the power button once and you should hear a beep. So if you press it once, you're going to hear it beep. And now our PS5 is being put into rest mode. And so with that being said, guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put your PS5 into rest mode. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.